Okay, so in this video we are looking at Indie Part 2. So just these 2 pages to go, and then we're on to the next style, which is the last style before the pieces. So this page here, we've got example 1 down here. So we've got bass, snare, 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 snare. Now the rhythm of this second bar is important. T, coffee, T. And for the coffee there, we're going to do a right, left. Just so we've used both of the sticks there. I'll show you that one, and then I'll play you the other ones as well, and you can practice those in preparation for your next lesson. So number 1 goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. So in the first bar, if you try and use your snare, the left hand for your snare in the first bar, because it would be there normally anyway, then you'll need to bring your right hand to do the right. So let's do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Okay, just practice that one, and then when you're happy with that, you can do it to the track. So the next one, example 2, it starts in the same way, bass, snare, bass, snare. Then we've got 2 quick basses there going coffee, rest. So here we go with number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Okay, let's do that once again. So you can use left or right here for the snare. It doesn't matter, whichever you feel comfortable with. I'm going to use my left. Again, number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Okay, and practice that slowly first, and then with the track when you're ready. Moving on to number 3. Again, this starts in the same way. So you can use your left hand for the first bar if you like for the snare, but at the end we've got a coffee on the snare, so we'll need a right left for that because it's a bit faster. Okay, here we go with number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. And one more time, number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, so hopefully you've got all of those, and do practice them slowly first until you're happy. And for a challenge this week, we're going to do number 4, which is a little bit different, example 4. So it starts with a rest, and it's a bit longer as well. We've got some hi-hats in this in the second bar. You see the crosses, so have your right hand up here to do those hi-hats. Do the snare with your left stick. Okay, here we go with number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, 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 rest. Okay, so try that out slowly first, and then we're going to work on the first 2 bars, so not too much to worry about here. We need to make sure we start with the rest, so rest, snare, snare, and then rest, rest, hi-hat, hi-hat. Then the second bit, you can bring your right hand down to do this right, left, right. You've got some quavers coming up. So from the 3rd bar, it goes rest, coffee, tea, bass. Then we need to move the hand up, back to the hi-hats. Right, right, left, bass drum. So in that last bar, you do everything. Right, right, left, bass, all at separate times. Let's do that one from the top one more time, and then you can practice that slowly and play it with the track if you find that you've completed it slowly. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. Rest, 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 rest. Okay. Okay, there we go. So have fun with that, and we will pick it up from wherever you have got to in the next lesson.